Are you tired of taking blurry and dark photos at night? And most times the flash isn't even helping that much. Have you noticed? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Sign up for my free newsletter at cyberguy.com. Now let's start with some basic tips to help improve your nighttime pictures. First, hold your phone steady by using your surroundings to help stabilize your shot. Could be a tree, a limb, picnic table. I use a ladder one time, even a street sign. This will help minimize any blurry subjects. As for the technical side, adjusting your camera settings can make a huge difference. When opening the camera app on your phone, it may automatically turn the flash on, but we want to turn it off. Trust me, it is going to be worth it. Just tap the flash icon to ensure it's off. Next, you're going to want to adjust the camera's ISO. Well, that's basically your camera's sensitivity to light to its digital sensor. For iPhone 11 and later models, the camera automatically adjusts the ISO, but in order to manually change the ISO, you're going to need to download a third-party app. A couple good ones are called Camera Plus or VSCO, VSCO. To adjust the ISO on Android, open the Camera app. Tap More, then click Pro. Look for the ISO settings to adjust manually. You can adjust from 100 to 800, which means you can change the sensitivity of the camera's sensor to light. A higher ISO number makes a photo brighter. A lower ISO number makes a photo darker. The next way to help brighten your photos is using night mode for iPhone 11 and later models. Night mode automatically turns on when the camera detects a low light environment. To make sure it's on, simply open the camera app. At the top left part of your screen, you're going to see a moon-like icon that's a little yellow and a number indicating how many seconds your camera will need to take the photo. The darker the setting, the longer it's going to take. If you tap the up arrow in the middle of the top row, you're going to see a row of icons appear with a yellow moon icon. Tap it, and it'll reveal a slider. Adjust that slider to a longer or shorter time to see what effect it's going to give the photo. The longer number of seconds, the more light it's going to take in. Just make sure to keep your phone as still as possible. Now, if you've got an Android, you can also take advantage of night mode. Just open the camera app, swipe the text at the bottom of the screen where it says Portrait, Photo, Video. Click the More option, and then tap Night, and click the Capture button when you're ready. Now, all the worries of not capturing nighttime memories will be a thing of the past, as all of your friends and family members will wonder how in the world you got your photos looking so darn good. The big takeaway here is to remember to steady that camera as much as possible when you're taking pictures and to keep the flash off. So grab your phone, experiment with these techniques, and let the beauty of night come to life in your photos. For more smart tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.